Ben, we're here at MAC 2018. You've got an absolutely beautiful stand here. In regards to your products, they are bespoke to suit solutions and machines. Now, you know, in regards to the machine tools that you supply and end users, you know, this is very powerful. And why is that powerful?
Well, it's powerful because people are purchasing machines to run. And if they've got an issue with the swarf management, or the swarf hasn't been considered in the first instance for the long-term running of the machine, they'll have a problem. So what we try and do is, like, as I've mentioned to you before, Gio, we work closely with the OEMs, with the end customer, find out what problems they may have had in the past on older machines, on certain applications, and we can develop and provide solutions for them.
Thank you, Ben.
All right, no problem.